Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. We are still in Ghana and we are still enjoying the organic food. Today we are making dark meat peanut soup with Cocoyam Fufu. Manken Fufu, any double katam. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Come with me and let's cook together. My ingredients will be needed: our dark meat, onion, fresh tomatoes, pepper, stock cube, peanut butter, ginger and garlic paste, cassava, and our cocoyam, and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. Let's chop some onions for our soup. You really need to chop some onion for this delicious soup. We start adding our meat to the oh, we said the enemy fresh. Anopeya na yekun. Where the onion kosher fridge in baby anopeya. Go ahead and season it with salt. You really need to season this meat. Some chopped onions, garlic ginger paste, and some stock cube, guys. Stock cube. You go ahead and mix everything together. Start with our peanut butter, guys, and mix it with water. We really need to add water and make it in a cream form before cooking it. This process is very important. We are going to cook our peanut before adding it to the soup. I'm done with the mixing of my peanut butter, guys. Our meat is doing perfect, guys. You can see the juices have really steamed this meat. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of water. Guys, we are just prepping our cocoyam for the fufu. And then the double quiet there. Guys, our peanut is ready. You can see there's oil settle on top. This shows that the peanut is ready. I'll go ahead and put on the fire. Guys, let's go ahead and mix our peanuts for the soup. Ahead and add my onions and fresh tomatoes, guys. The soup, the flavors here. Just a double the old crana. What do you? Oh, crana. What do papa. The flavors never had. And yes, some kids. Let's go ahead and check on our soup, guys. Look at this, guys. Look, there's no fat in this soup, guys. So, and yeah, you see crunchy, come on. So guys, I'll cover it up again and later we'll remove our onions and tomatoes for blending. But the flavors here is awesome. It's heavenly. Go ahead and remove our veggies, guys. I have some fresh onions as well for blending. It's always important. It brings a lot of flavor to your soup. let's blend our veggies. Let's go ahead and add our blended veggies, guys. Look at these goodies here, guys. I'll go ahead and taste for salt. It's okay for now, so I really have to cook it. After cooking it for a while, then I'll taste for salt again. If there's the need, then I'll add, because I already added enough salt when I was steaming the meat. I'm preparing my fufu. Now where the man care fufu pa na tete no man care fufu na didi double fine. Tebia na ye and I'm doing the same here. Guys, man care fufu ne nkaten I need the double nkaten fine there one nyum mpo. Ewo ha you so na yeto. It's fufu na me go so a. Me and I'm doing it myself. Just 3 person fufu, you know. It's not necessary so be yama me meet me ai. Tina me oh. Guys, our fufu is ready. So we'll go ahead and mold it. Look at this. Perfect. Ahead and add our green pepper for more flavor, and then I'll taste for salt. It needs a little bit of salt, guys. This amount of salt is okay, and I'll stir everything in. Our soup is almost ready, guys. Our soup is ready. Guys, let's dig in and serve. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Yeah, you see, we are not yet sure. Guys, check this out. It's ready, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. Double quiet there. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye. Do adios. Kiss.